Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Hey, we're gonna do something a little different. Look at these two vending machines right here. They're mine. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do a collection. We haven't been here in a while. You see that one's already like gone. The other ones are a little down. These are a little down. So we're gonna collect the money right now and see how much we made. Just a quick little video. Be right back. Turn the machine around. Wrong key. Yeah. Two quarters are stuck. So much we collected right there out of these two. We'll count in a little bit. Yeah. This one back in here. This one just turns. This one's a little harder. Sure everything's good. For the next one. So guys, right now we just collected the money. We're gonna see how much it is. It's been 2 weeks since we've been here. So here they are. This is how much we collected. Let's see how much it is. If you wanna guess, let's guess right now until we find out. Be right back. Look at that, all that collected in 2 weeks. Let's count it. There it is, guys. That's what we collected right there. Each row is $5. Each one of these is $1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. $40. $40 right there. And then 41, 42, 43, and 10 cents. 2 nickels. So it's $43 that we collected and 10 cents in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, that's what we collected with the gumball machine and with those candy machines and the the stickers and the balls. There was little balls that you saw that we put in there is 25 cents each one. We collected $43.10. That's another passive income. See, you can make money by simple things. Simple things make you money. This is one of them. So like, subscribe. If you like this content, this is what's going to be on there if you want it. I just thought it'd be something that y'all could see, that you can make an easy $43. You can make $40, and every 2 weeks, that's 80 bucks. That's 80 bucks a month. That's easy money. It's pretty simple. You saw it. It took less than 10 minutes, 15 minutes to go in there, collect the money, and walk out. If you like it, subscribe. Be part of the family. See you next time.